Good morning, students. So today we'll continue with the second chapter of maths. Okay, our next question is, the doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. Okay, he took one round of this field. How far did he run? Okay, so there is a man, Devi Prasad. Doctor has told him to run 2 kilometers every day. Okay, so he took one round of this field. So we have to tell that how much distance he has covered. Okay, so one round of this field means, let us begin with this point. So from here to here he has covered 500 meter, plus here to here again he has covered 500 meter, plus here to here again 500 meter, and finally from here to here again he has covered 500 meter. Okay, so 500 meter plus 500 meter, 1000 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meter, 1000 meter. Okay, this is equal to how much? 2000 meter. Okay, and all of you know that when we have to convert meter into kilometer, we divide it by 1000. Okay, so zeros will be cancelled by 0 and we are left with 2 kilometer. Okay, so that means he covers total 2 kilometers by taking one round of this field. Okay, now our next question is, the field was very far from the home. Okay, so this field was very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. Okay, and the length of the boundary of that park is 400 meters. Okay, so we have to tell that how many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers. Okay, so boundary of the park is how much? 400 meter. Okay, so number of rounds that Devi Prasad must run to complete 2 kilometers. Now see, this distance is in meter, this is in kilometer. Okay, so this kilometer can be changed into meter by multiplying by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, and distance covered in one round is 400 meters, so we'll divide it by 400. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 1000, 2000 upon 400. Zeros will be cancelled by 0, 0 will be cancelled by 0. 4 5s are 20. That means how many rounds? 5 rounds. Okay, children, hope this is clear to all. Next is your, one day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. Okay, so one day when he went for running, the weather was very good. Okay, he felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. Okay, so daily he used to cover 2 kilometers. Okay, but this day he has taken total 8 rounds of this park. Okay, so that day he ran dash kilometer and dash meter. So we have to tell that after running 8 rounds, okay, how much distance he has covered in all. Okay, so boundary of the park is 400 meter. That means in one round he has covered 400 meter. Okay, so distance covered in 8 rounds. We know for one round we have to calculate for 8 rounds. In such cases we always multiply. Okay, so 400 meter multiply by 8. So how much it has come? 3200 meter. Okay, but we have to tell this distance in terms of kilometer and meter. So here it is in terms of meters. We'll change it in kilometer and meter. Now see, we have got 3200 meter. Okay, it can be written as 3000 meter plus 200 meter also. It is same thing only. Now see, this 3000 meter, if I'll change it into kilometers, so I will divide it by 1000, isn't it? Plus 200 kilometer will remain as it is. Okay, zeros will be cancelled by 0. So what we have got is 3 kilometer and how many meters? 200 meters. Okay, so that means he has covered this much distance by taking 8 rounds of the park. Okay, next is your, Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. Manjani is going to Thalassery, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. Okay, how far is Kozhikode from Thalassery? Okay, now see, this is point A. From this point, if the distance of Kozhikode is how much? 24 kilometers, then Thalassery is in opposite direction. So if Kozhikode is in this direction, so its opposite direction is this side. The opposite of left is right. Okay, so this Thalassery is how much distance away? 46 kilometer away in the opposite direction. Okay, so he is asking how far is Kozhikode from Thalassery. Okay, that means we have to tell the distance between these two places, isn't it? So what is the distance? Clearly we can see that 24 kilometer plus 46 kilometer will give us our answer, isn't it? So the distance of Kozhikode from point A is 24 kilometers. Distance of Thalassery from point A is opposite direction is 46 kilometer. So distance between Kozhikode and Thalassery is equal to, we'll add these two distances, that is your 24 kilometer plus 46 kilometer. Okay, and on adding what you will get? 70 kilometers. Okay, hope this much is clear to all. Now see, next is your Momam comes to school from very far. Okay, so this boy, he goes to his school from a very far distance. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond. Then with slippers in his hands, he then walks 150 meters to the pond. Next he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. Then he finally crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach his school. Okay, so these are the different places from where he passes to finally reach his school. Okay, so what we have to tell is how much does Momam walk every day to reach school. Okay, so distance of pond from his home. So distance of pond from his home is how much, children? It is 400 meters. Distance walked through pond. Okay, distance walked through pond is how much? 150 meters. Distance along green fields width. Okay, when he is walking around along green field, that is how much? 350 meters. Okay, next is distance covered on road, and on road he has covered how much distance? 40 meters. Okay, so total distance covered by Momam. So for total we always add. Okay, so we'll add all these values. 400 meter plus 150 meter plus 350 meter plus 40 meter. Okay, so when you will add this, so you will get 940 meter on adding this. Okay, so next he is asking, is it more than 1 kilometer? So children, he has covered how much distance? 940 meter, and we all know that in 1 kilometer how many meters are there? 1000 meter. Okay, so obviously 940 meter is less than 1000 meter, so we'll say that no, it is not more than 1 kilometer. Okay, then there are some questions, general questions on page number 21 and 22 of your book that you can try on your own. Okay children, and with this we have completed second chapter of maths. Thank you.